Hello, my name is Elisha Waters and today we'll be looking at a health resource targeted at the primary years, which is called Everyone, Every Day. We will now take a look at the website you can find the resource on. The Everyone, Every Day lesson can be found on the ACT government website under the Schooling tab just here. The website includes a program overview, units of work, and supporting resources that are available. The lesson chosen came from the Years 3 to 4 unit. The unit has an overview of the lesson intent and the acrostic poem with keywords that will be seen throughout the lessons. The Everyone Everyday units for 3 to 4 contained multiple lessons, but today we'll be looking at Lesson 4. What do you notice? The intent of the lesson is to explore how our attitudes and perceptions are influenced by what we choose to focus on. The idea relating to cultural differences and how to create an inclusive classroom belief system. Lesson 4 provides the readers with specific HPE curriculum links that are relevant to the topic. Not only does the lesson relate to the HPE curriculum, but also to the humanities and social sciences curriculum as well. The HPE curriculum descriptors that align with the content are ACPP S037 and ACPP S042. Content descriptor ACPP S037 describes how respect, empathy, and valuing diversity can positively influence relationships. This descriptor is easily identified in Activity 1, which I will show you now. ACPP S042 descriptor reads that students will research their own heritage and cultural identities and explore strategies to respect and value diversity. This can be identified in Activity 2, which I will now show you. As we can see on this slide, humanities and social sciences content descriptors from the curriculum are also included, but we will not be going into further detail on these today. I will now critique the Everyone Everyday resource based on the ACARA propositions, first being through a strength-based approach. The lesson has a strong focus on supporting students to develop understanding of different cultures throughout the course of the lesson, and this was reiterated by a peer who also viewed the resource by saying, "There is a strong focus on differences and similarities in giving support to students." As quoted by another peer, Everyone Every Day encourages students to be thinking and identifying how their communities can be a part of the solution of improving their well-being by providing their resources. This is evident during Activity 2, when the students are asked to identify cultures present in the classroom and what they all have in common, such as values or beliefs. This can be aligned with the salutogenics model created by N. Tversky, who states health is enhanced when individuals can access and use their community resources to strengthen and maintain personal resources. Moving on now and taking a look at a proposition, health literacy. Health literacy can be identified as one's abilities to gain access to and use health information to maintain their health and well-being. Throughout the Everyone Everyday lesson, it is easily identifiable that students will be developing their knowledge and understanding through an interactive dimension that aligns with health literacy. Not only is it evident that there is an interactive dimension, but also a functional dimension, which shows students researching and applying information relating to certain cultural groups within the communities around them, as reiterated by my peers. One peer stating that the lesson has a very interactive health literacy approach by using informative class and peer-to-peer discussion, and that the lesson incorporates inclusive classroom culture which fosters ways to support well-being. In conclusion, the Everyone Everyday lesson is a very useful resource that promotes health through the ACARA proposition of strength-based approaches and a health literacy approach, through suggesting students ways in which to adopt inclusive behaviour in the classroom, in the wider community, and in their personal lives also. It is a readily available resource found online, which can be accessed by anyone. It also has a range of interactive activities not specific to Lesson 4, in which students can find enjoyable. However, after critiquing and analysing this resource, it is evident that it does not appropriately align with the curriculum, as it could do with more specific and detailed curriculum descriptors. Not only is it lacking appropriate curriculum links, it is also hard to gauge whether typical grade 3 to 4 students will be able to truly understand and engage appropriately to the content being discussed. This is due to the fact that at their age they would not have had wide exposure to different cultures other than the dominant ones in their communities. Whilst the lesson may have its flaws, it is still an excellent resource to identify cultural diversity in the community. Thank you.